Hi, friends. So, today you must be thinking I am on some kind of vacation. You can guess this place where I am standing. It is not a swimming pool water, by the way. You can still guess the place. You can still guess the country where I am. Even though I am telling you I'm not on a holiday, I'm still at work. With this water, with this view, with the sandy beaches around me, you can still think that I'm in some other country like Malaysia on some world famous beaches. But no, I'm not in Malaysia, I'm not in some other country, I'm not some in other beaches. I am right now in Dubai, and this is one of the very famous project and with a very famous developer which is our household name on day-to-day basis. The developer for this project is Majid Al Futtaim, and there some of the renowned brands are here as we go. You can see Magic Planet, Carrefour, Vox Cinemas, Mall of Emirates, Al Zahia Community, developed and managed by them, Mall of Egypt. This is their day-to-day, and plus city center, every kind of city center. There are Sharjah, Mirdif, Beirut, Bahrain, Muscat. These are all run by them. They have decades of experience of running businesses and managing the communities, developing the communities very well. So this is a small part of the Crystal Lagoon, and you can see these sandy beaches. I can see kayaks parked over there. This Crystal Lagoon is sweet water, and I'll tell you the project for which I am here. This is one of the flagship project of Majid Al Futtaim. Yes, I am here at Elan by Tilal Al Ghaf. So Tilal Al Ghaf is the flagship project of Majid Al Futtaim, and today I am going to explain you the 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom townhouse of Elan project. Before I move on, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get more updates or regular updates. So this blue part which you can see where I was standing is only 12%, and it is huge portfolio of this master community. Today I will explain Elan project. This is Elan project, by the way. It contains around 900 plus townhouses, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom townhouses with every kind of amenities. Before I move on, I would like to show you the master plan first. So this is the master plan. I can see huge master plan of this Tilal Al Ghaf. Every kind of amenities over here. The location is connected through Hessa Street. So let me show you the master plan first. I can see townhouses, I can see low-rise buildings, swimming pool, gym, villa, mansion, individual villas, individual mansions, basically standalone, low-rise buildings, commercial buildings. Everything is over here which I can see, and they have recently launched townhouses for sale. So this is Elan project. It is a massive master plan, massive project, well connected with Mohammed bin Zayed Road, E311, well connected with 611 Emirates Road. So before I start, let me show you the direction over here. It's north, this side, and this is the Elan project, this side. So I would explain you all the phases, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, which is launched by Tilal Al Ghaf. So this is phase 1, follow the red dots. This is phase 1 of Elan project, around 300 townhouses were launched. Then phase 2 was launched, again around 300 townhouses from here to here. Now phase 3 is getting launched from here till here. Now these around 300 townhouses are getting launched, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom townhouse with payment plan, with DLD waiver as well. So phase 3, you can see swimming pool, gym, steam sauna, cycling track, second cycling track with kids play area. Phase 1 has swimming pool, gym, sauna, steam, and a small community center, kind of shopping center. Almost similar facilities. In phase 2 also you can see swimming pool, gym, sauna, steam, addition of basketball court basically. So this was the Crystal Lagoon where I was standing. It was around 7 kilometer and it's only 12% complete, which I was showing you. By the time Elan is completed, you can see it will be completed a lot more part, and it will be open for water sports activity with kayaking and all. So let me show you this facility as well. This will be the community center basically. International school is here, and open walk cinemas. This is the city center. This is the Carrefour. Plus walk cinemas, outdoor cinema is there, and these are low rise commercial buildings with retail hubs. When you are buying a townhouse, you are buying community. So you are living within the community. Every facility you can access very easily at free of cost basically. So when I enter from Hessa Street, I am standing here right now near Crystal Lagoon. All the facilities are already open over here. Tennis court and rest amenities are already open. So right now I'm showing you the 3-bedroom townhouse layout floor plan basically. On the left hand side, this is the ground floor, and on the right hand side it will be the first floor. So it is 4-plex, 6-plex and 8-plex. So all the grey ones are the 3-bedroom townhouse, which you can buy on a very moderate payment plan. So this is the exterior and this is the interior renders. Very good size, very good layout. 4-bedroom townhouse, 2354 square feet. Left hand side ground floor, right hand side first floor. So this will be launched very soon, and you can see 4-plex, 6-plex, 8-plex. Corner ones are the 4-bedroom. Phase 1 and phase 2 was sold within days, I would say within hours. So we are expecting the same influx in phase 3 as well. It is a very good project. You can see the master plan. You have just seen the entire location next to E311 Mohammed bin Zayed Road. You can see the master plan once again. All the amenities, all the facilities are already there, and you are a part of a very big community. So Majid Al Futtaim, they have made a landmark already by operating successful businesses, any kind of city center in our day-to-day life which we go. Zahia is one of the famous project. So give me a call and let me know if you're interested to book the unit. I'll happy to share more information on the payment plan or the layouts. And thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.